Back again for an oil change on the DRZ-70. I've got a funnel, 1040 oil, and I'm using Amsoil synthetic dirt bike oil. You want to make sure you are using a motorcycle oil for this, because this lubricates not only the engine but the transmission and the clutch. There's an auto clutch in this bike. There's no clutch lever, it just automatically engages when you give it throttle. So we're going to go ahead. The bolt is a 12 millimeter right under here. I am having socket issues. There we go. Previous owner kept this bike very clean. The oil is clean. Looks like they did the maintenance. But you never know when you buy a used bike how long it's been sitting. So I'm going to go ahead. It does look a little dark coming out the bottom, but that's okay. We'll get it cleaned up. And it says right on here, 700 milliliters. Make it nice and simple. Very, very simple. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy Amsoil. Thank you.